to Toddlers Art Hub. Hello friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, the place where we have a blast drawing and coloring fun things. Today, get ready to join us in the sky as we bring 5 amazing vehicles to life. It's going to be an exciting adventure. So grab your crayons and let's dive in. Alright kiddos, our first vehicle soaring through the sky is a vibrant green helicopter. Can you imagine the high-flying fun we'll have with this one? Remember, the body of the helicopter is green. And its rotor blades are sunny yellow. Let your creativity take flight. Blast off. It's time to draw our second sky vehicle, a super cool rocket ship. This rocket is as unique as you are. It's painted in a mix of pink and blue, with fierce fire flames shooting out at the back. Whoosh! Who's excited to see this rocket zoom through the skies? Hold on tight, young artists! Our third rocket is a burst of colors. Imagine a rocket painted in bold red, vibrant yellow, and fresh green. And guess what? We're adding some sparkly stars in the background, making it feel like it's soaring through a starry night. Isn't that amazing? Ready for another fantastic helicopter adventure? Buckle up, because this one is red and orange all over. Picture a helicopter with a fiery red body and energetic orange rotor blades. Just imagine the thrilling flights it'll take. Let's bring this chopper to life. Last, but definitely not least, get ready to draw the final sky vehicle, a speedy jet plane. This jet plane is ready to conquer the skies with its green body and bold yellow wings. Zoom! It's all about the high-speed excitement up there. Wow, look at these magnificent sky vehicles we've created together. From helicopters to rockets, and even a speedy jet plane, our imagination truly knows no bounds. I had so much fun drawing and chatting with you today. Remember friends, art is all about expressing yourself and having a blast. So keep on creating, keep on smiling, and until next time, stay colorful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.